Dun 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 dun.
The Industrial Revolution is one of the most defining events in human history, transforming economies, societies, and geopolitics as a whole. But what if it never happened in Europe? What if, instead, the Industrial Revolution took root somewhere else? Perhaps in China?
Dun 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 dun.
To understand this alternate history, you must first ask, why Europe? Several factors made industrialization possible there. First, Europe had abundant coal and iron deposits near major population centers. Second, political fragmentation fueled competition and innovation. Third, European empires extracted resources and wealth from overseas colonies, financing industrial development. Finally, the Enlightenment era scientific progress and institutions enabled technological breakthroughs.
Dun 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 dun.
China, on the other hand, was an economic powerhouse with a vast population, advanced infrastructure, and centuries of technological ingenuity. The Song Dynasty saw an early form of industrial production with coal mining, iron smelting, and mechanical inventions. However, by the Qin Dynasty, several barriers had hindered large scale industrialization. Unlike Europe's fragmented political landscape, China was a unified empire. While this ensured stability, it also discouraged internal competition that might have driven innovation. Additionally, Confucian ideas prioritized agrarian society over mercantile or mechanical pursuits, slowing industrial adoption. Finally, China's vast and diverse geography made coal transportation more difficult compared to Europe's compact deposits.
Dun dun.
But let's imagine an alternate path. Suppose China embraced industrialization first. With its immense population, well developed infrastructure, and industrial China could have dominated global trade. European nations, lacking the same technological boost, might have remained reliant on agrarian economies. The Opium Wars, which historically weakened China, might have never happened, or reversed China's favor. Western imperialism in Asia could have been limited, shifting global power centuries earlier. A Chinese led industrial revolution would have rewritten modern history. Asian economies, rather than Western ones, might have driven global finance, setting different cultures and political norms. The balance of power in the 20th century, including World War dynamics and the Cold War, could have been drastically different.
Dun 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 dun.
I guess the moral of the story is history is full of turning points. The Industrial Revolution might have happened in Europe in our timeline, but there are many others where it happened in Africa, or maybe the New World, and perhaps even China. Stay curious.
Dun 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 dun.